Hola! Welcome to a new edition of AI Defined. I, of course, am your host, John Lee of thecontentmarketingking.com. Today, I want to talk to you about the most basic building block of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the algorithm. You would be amazed how many serious and very smart business people don't exactly know what an algorithm is and how it works. So I want to make this video to break it down into the easiest way for you to understand it. So an algorithm is just a step-by-step process for calculation. They can be used for data processing, automated reasoning, calculations, whatever. Basically, when you want to get a computer to do anything, you have to write a computer program. And the computer program will tell the computer exactly how to execute each of these steps. And the computer will do that mechanically. The algorithm is the basic process by which the computer goes about executing the task. So an easy way to think about it is that an algorithm is kind of like the way you go about doing the recipe. The recipe might tell you to combine eggs and flour and vanilla, and it gives you an order to do it in. But in real life, you can kind of taste test things and poke around and mess with that and figure things out if it doesn't make sense according to the algorithm or the recipe. Computers don't do that. Computers just follow the algorithm by rote. So if it says eggs first, then sugar, then flour, that's what the computer is going to do every single time, regardless of if there's a mistake in the algorithm or if the algorithm even makes sense. And that's where you come to what's called common reasoning science. And that's a brand of AI where people look at algorithms and look at things that actually make sense. Because the problem with the algorithm is that the algorithm can only do what it's written to do, and it's very much subject to human error, which is why you get kind of programs that don't work, errors, and all that other stuff, because the exact order in which things are being executed isn't necessarily correct, or there's an error in that exact set of directions that goes into the computer, which is the algorithm. The algorithm is simply a step-by-step process for calculating or executing whatever you tell the computer to do. So pretty simple, pretty basic. Hope that has explained everything for you, and feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon.